This message is for Guitar 2 students and Guitar 1 students who are working ahead in the book. First off, all students, please remember that this Friday there will be a quiz over the 16 chords we've covered in this class. This quiz is for all students, not just Guitar 1 students. So Guitar 2 students, please make sure that you at least review those 16 chords. The quiz is going to be on the quiz's website. I'll give you more information and links to it when the time comes, but it is going to be a quiz. It's a timed quiz to make sure that you're not just sitting there and staring at your answers on the computer and saying, oh, it's this one. You have to be able to actually recognize the chords on site and say, oh, that's this chord, and be able to click it. So everyone is going to be responsible for that quiz. Now, Guitar 2 students, things otherwise will be going most the same for you as usual. There's going to be an assignment on Schoology called Rhythm Drills. I'm going to try to make sure that it doesn't even show up on your Schoology, but if it does show up on your Schoology page, Guitar 2 students, you are exempt from it. You do not have to do the Rhythm Drills assignment. It's a very simple assignment, and you've already done it. So I know that you're good to go on that. So you are exempt from the Rhythm Drills assignment on Schoology if it shows up. Guitar 1 students, you will have an assignment called the Rhythm Drills, and I'll give you more information on the assignment itself. It's really easy to do. You're not going to have a hard time. It is all to do with just playing notes individually in time. Again, more information about that will be on the Schoology assignment. Now, Guitar 1 students, you have a choice this week, because you are working ahead from the rest of the Guitar 1 students. You can either keep going where you are in the book. If you were on page 35 and you say, I want to do page 37 this week. Cool, I'm good at that. If you want to keep on working through the chord section of the book and keep on doing more challenging, more interesting things, I am 100% behind you. Just make sure you are continuing to work forward in the book. I've talked to a couple of you guys about making sure you're not going backwards at any point. Please make sure you're moving forwards. So if you choose to just keep going back by a couple pages at a time, totally okay with that. Again, if you have any questions about what you're reading, just ask me on the How I'm Doing This Week assignment, and I will be sure to get back to you and answer your questions. Now, you also have another option, and that is to follow along with the rest of the Guitar 1 students. Everyone else in Guitar 1 is going to be skipping ahead in the book about 30 pages, because the way we divide the class up, generally with our beginning students, is third quarter, the first quarter of the class, we focus on chords. We focus on the first half of the book. Second quarter, we focus on individual note playing, individual note reading. And if that is something that you're interested in doing, I would love to keep working with you on that. It's a very interesting part of the book. So that is your other option. So you can either stay where you are, keep moving forward a couple pages at a time, or skip ahead about 30 pages. We're going to start on page 64 with the Guitar 1 students. So if that is your choice, please make sure you do watch the video for the Guitar 1 students this week, just so you are on the same page as us. That's all for me. Thanks, guys.